Together, Delony and Deep Solutions, we have developed a solution that allows you to optimize a cruise terminal, in terms of its mobility. We call it Smart Mobility Analytics, and we have reached to one KPI that we think is very important, which is the transit time of a passenger through the terminal. In fact, imagine that when you book a cruise ticket, what you're aiming for is a pleasurable experience, and also you want to have no worries, and if possible, not too much waiting, right? That's what we're trying to solve, and it's actually traceable. We can know the time of waiting of every passenger from the time they exit the boat to the time they leave the area. And basically imagine that you are in a ship and you decide to take a taxi. You want to go do some sightseeing. And how do you optimize the taxi area? What you need to do is you need to know the amount of people, the amount of taxis, and according to that, you know if you need to call more taxis, right? Also, imagine that you want to take the public bus. The manager of that area needs to understand how many people are going to want to go in a bus, so they can schedule a specific frequency of buses coming in and out. Also, imagine that you want to take an organized trip and you go to a bus organized by the cruise ship, for example. Is there enough space for all the buses in that terminal? Or if somebody picks you up, in fact, is your friend going to be able to park or not? These are all the questions that we help answer. We are using, of course, deep learning. We're using convolutional neural networks that allows you to completely automate all the process. And we are doing from detection and recognition of plates, recognition of faces in some occasions, and we also track the movement of people and vehicles in the area. This all amounts to a real-time flow of information that can be used by the manager of the area, in that case, to make decisions as the situation changes, which sometimes is not completely predictable. Depending on the origin of the boat, country of origin normally, type of boat, and more importantly, the total amount of people in the boat. With our tool, you can analyze and also predict what's going to happen in the future in boats that you've never seen before. You have a database of knowledge that you can use to your advantage and for allocating resources that you might need, such as a frequency of public buses, taxis, and all these things. And so on top of that, there's an understanding that once you know the needs of every single boat, then you can redesign terminals that pretty much optimize every single area and are tailored to the boats that you choose. And so, well, in general, our solution aims to improving the optimization of the transit of people through a cruise terminal. Thank you very much.